So that and a little bit of brown. If I could find where I put my brown, I would put it on. But I say, oh, here it is. I found it.
Okay.
I found it.
So once you add the brown to the cuts that you made, the little fur texturing,
You can really see it.
it really comes out.
Yeah.
It really comes out. We'll get a shot. Right now the tail is behind his head, so the camera can't see it.
Oh, you can't see that? Oh, really?
There it is. Okay.
I'm surprised you couldn't see that because it's up there. It's high up there.
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit on the arms, a little bit on the paws. You can have one brown paw and one white paw. And do it in spots and patches. He's a patchy cat. There we go. Okay, so you get the general idea.
Yep.
This guy didn't get his. Okay. Let's go on to the holly that goes inside here.
Okay.
And then I get to finish him up.
Yep.
Forgot he had green eyes. Oops. Okay, so on to the holly leaves. Simple, easy, of course. Has to be. I'm doing it. It's going to be easy.
Excellent.
Okay, so we're on to the leaves. And basically, you can fill it in with whatever you want to fill it in. I just needed something. Oh, and we have the bow, too. So we'll do the leaves and the bow. Those are what's left. So we want to roll this out. I'm going to use my little rolling pin instead of my big guy.
Is that also PVC pipe?
No, this is actually a disposable dowel.
Disposable dowel.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You could use, again, just a regular wooden dowel. The person, whoever was at Maryland, who was talking about the wooden dowel, you could do that too.
Okay.
Whatever floats your boat, whatever you like. But you want to roll it nice and thin. You do want some Tylos in the green, okay?
Yeah.
Because we're making leaves that need to stand. Okay, so what I have here, these are actually, I didn't have any holly cutters, so you can cut holly by cutting on your own, okay? I'll show you how to make holly. You can actually make it by just making a leaf shape.
Freehand.
Freehand, or if you have a leaf cutter. And then you take a tip and you cut out, and it will make it like a holly.
Mm.
Oh, well, however you do, I can't remember how to do it now. Wouldn't you know? Here, there we go. You've got to cut closer to that to pinch. There we go. Oops. Okay. So you can make holly and see these extra little pieces. You just pinch those. It makes holly.
Cool.
So you can make your own holly, and then you just, blah. But I have poinsettia cutters, so I wanted to do a poinsettia and just do green poinsettia leaves is what I'm doing. So I made 2 different sizes. I got them here. They're the 2 largest sizes in the set.
Cookie cutters?
You could use cookie cutters if you've got them. Those are actually gum paste cutters. But you could use, if you've got, but there are plenty of holly cookie cutters out now, boy.
Yeah, especially right now.
Yeah, go get a holly cookie cutter, that works. And if you don't want to, you can use the tip, like I did. You could actually make these cookies. What I did is I just cut them out. I did 2 different sizes. Okay. And then I have an all-purpose veiner here. You don't have to use it. You can use, you can just use your tool to put a vein in. You can just draw it with a toothpick. But I like to just stick it on here. Stick it on here, a little bit of foam. Press down.
Where do you get that foam?
This is upholstery foam.
Oh, good. So
just pull it out of your couch.
Right,
no, I'm just kidding. Pull out of your chair. Husband's going to wonder. No, I got it at the fabric store. It's upholstery foam. Cool. Okay, and you just press it in, and then, yeah, they make some really beautiful veins. Yeah. It's an all-purpose cutter. You can get them anywhere. Global Sugar Art, Nicholas Lodge, anywhere.
Auto parts store, whatever.
Yeah,
you can get them
there you go.
You can get them anywhere.
Woohoo!
Ralph's.
Okay, and then what I do is I actually, I'll go down the center like this, and then I'll put it on some foil that I had sitting around. just make a little V in there and let it dry. Like so.
Cool.
The little waves and a little bit of, they're pretty flat, but I give it a little
How
bit
long
of
will it
life.
take for something like that to dry?
This will dry in about an hour. They're pretty
Okay.
It's pretty fast, especially if you've got the tylose in there.
Yep.